Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
Take a break, it's 8 o'clock in the evening. Good evening, fellow hams. Mayong gabi, Pilipinas. It is the 12th day of January 2021. It's a Tuesday. Welcome to the evening net of Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated, or DX1PRS. The Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated is an amateur group registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Association, and duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. The DX1PRS conducts its evening net from Monday to Saturday, 8 in the evening. Your net control for tonight is 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy. I am transmitting from Balibago, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And I'm working with Yaesu FT2980 with a power output of 80 watts hookups to Comet GP-1 and Omni antenna 60 feet from the ground. To all stations, please zero bit your transceivers to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear reception. We shall start the net by calling for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. Second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which the group can be of assistance. Please call the DX1PRS and all stations will be standing by. In a relay for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the DX1PRS standing by. Okay, let's call for any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs. Please call in now. The DX1PRS will be listening. Second call for any announcement from the club president, vice president, or any club officers, chairman of any committee from the NTC or PARA or from other local amateur clubs. Please call in now. The DX1PRS will be listening. Since this is a supervised net, therefore all calls must pass through the net control. All stations are requested to break in with your complete call sign, which include the prefix, district number, and the suffix. Please be advised that by joining this net call, you declare under any circumstances that you are using your registered NTC issued call sign as prescribed by law. However, those who do not have yet the registered NTC call sign, we welcome and encourage you to acquire the same in order to enjoy the full privilege of using the amateur radio frequencies as specified in the license. For more information and details regarding amateur radio licensing, you may visit website of Philippine Amateur Radio Association at www.para.org.ph. shall now begin the roll call proper by calling on any station, be portable, mobile, or base, who wish to join the X1 PRS Evening Net. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1 PRS will be listening.
DG1 Sierra Victor Sierra.
For Hotel 1 X-ray Charlie Foxtrot.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta. November Tango Zulu.
Okay, I copy the following clear stations. DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu for Hotel 1 X-ray Charlie Foxtrot, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, DU1 November Tango Zulu. Please stand by. Any more stations?
481 LCU.
Okay, copy for H1 LCU. Please stand by. Any more?
For Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf.
Copy for Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf. Please stand by. Any more stations?
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Copy Romeo Oscar Mike. Please stand by. Any more? Okay, let's begin the roll call proper. But before that, let me first acknowledge the following stations who check in by group chat. Starting with 4 India 1, Bravo India India, Tito Jojo from the group, 4 Golf 1 Delta Queen Juliet, Doc Ina, W6 Echo Uniform Golf, Tito Jean, and yun lang. Those stations are now locked and clear. 73. Okay, na next station, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra from the group, the head of Technical Affairs Committee. Tito Jun, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy, and for G1 Papa Uniform Romeo. DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra supporting the net of our group, DX1 Paris, number copy, 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jun. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, Pangalusbi, maayong gabi. Welcome to the X1 PRS net. 73, along-along and mabuhay, Pangalusbi. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu, is now logged and clear. Copy to additional stations, DV3 Charlie Mike Charlie and Portal 1 Bravo Zulu Echo. Please stand by. Okay, next station, Portal 1 X-ray Charlie Foxtrot, Tita Cecil, one of the net control stations of the X1 Mike Kilo. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PRS net.
Magandang gabi po, Tito Rotboy. At magandang gabi po sa lahat po. Hotel 1 X Charlie Fox. Checking in 73. Pasama na rin po sa Delta Whiskey 1 November Oscar Lima. 73, mabuhay po.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tita Cecil. And together with Tito Louie, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your two stations, Portal 1 X-ray Charlie Foxtrot and DW1 November Oscar Lima are now logged and clear.
Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar, magandang gabi.
For Golf 1 November Tango Tango for the net. Copy of Portal 1 Yankee Mike Oscar and for Golf 1 November Tango Tango, please stand by. Next station, Delta Zulu 1 Delta. Tito Don, good evening, welcome to the X1 PRS net.
Gandang gabi, Root Boy, at joining your evening net. 73, salamat.
For Hotel 1, Alpha Kilo Tango.
Copy for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Please stand by. Acknowledge the station of Tito Don 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, is now logged and clear.
1 Mike Alpha Romeo for the net.
Copy Mike Alpha Romeo. Please stand by.
DU1 Alpha Zulu, sir.
Copy DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra. Please stand by. Copy Portal 1 Lima Echo Sierra. Please stand by. Copy Delta Yankee 1 Tango Yankee. Please stand by. Okay, next station, DU1 November Tango Zulu. Tito Bani, good evening. Welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Root Boy. Good evening, fellow hams. Joining the net, 73, over.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Bani. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 November Tango Zulu, is now logged and clear. Next station for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform from the group and one of the net control stations. Good evening, Tito Nelson. Welcome to our group net.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rootboy, for Golf 1, Papa Uniform Romeo, for the X1 PRS. This is for Hotel 1, Lima Charlie Uniform, supporting our evening net, and parelate ko na din sa itong nasa sa lag ko. Delta India November, Tita Ivy, tsaka si Delta Yankee 9, Juliet, Delta Charlie, si Tito Juni ng Double Del Norte, from the group, the X9 UAI. At saka si Tito Joy, for Group 1, Queen Alpha Zulu, na nasa Dubai, from Binangonan Rizal. At saka si Tito Eric, for India 1, Echo Romeo Tango. Wala na, 73.
Okay, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for the relay, Tito Nelson, and for of the following stations, check in via group chat and FB Live, I mean. Delta India November, Tita Ivy, Delta Yankee 9, Juliet, Delta Charlie, Tito Johnny, and for Golfan, Queen Alpha Zulu, Tito Joy, for India 1, Echo Romeo Tango, Tito Eric from the group. Those stations are now logged and clear. Thank you, Tito Nelson, and we hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, is now logged and clear. Okay, next station, Portal 1 Delta Tango Golf, Tito Jomor. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Delta Tango Gold, evening net, 73, and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jomar. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf is now logged and clear. Next station, Romeo Oscar Mike, Tito Romano. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSnet.
Yung magandang gabi dito, Root Boy. Magandang gabi sa lahat na nakaantabay. Nagpapatala lang sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay, Tito Romano. Maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng Dex1 Perez. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas. Ang inyong himpilan, Romeo Oscar Mike, ay nakatala na po. Next station, DB3, Charlie, Mike, Charlie, Tito Ayet, good evening, welcome to Dex1 PRSnet, one of the net control stations of DX3, Ha Hotel. Tito Ayat, nakita mo na yung certificate doon sa FB group sa DX1 Perez members and friends. You're welcome, Tito Ayat. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting DX1 PerezNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB3, Charlie Mike. Charlie is now loud and clear.
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray pa ba?
Pakibalik yung isa po. Kairal na kopya na for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray Papa. Yung isa po, yung may Papa.
For Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf.
Copy of Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. Yung isa po, yung may Papa, pakibalik po. One more time. Okay, balikan na lang po mamaya at baka medyo nag-release na ng konti ang signal. For Hotel 1, Bravo, Zulu, Echo, Cameroy, good evening, welcome to DX1 PerezNet.
Thank you, Turut Boy. Good evening, Call Station. For Hotel 1, Bravo Delta. Speaking in the Portfolio Network now, Traffic 73. Salamat. God bless.
Likewise, God bless, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Cameloy. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PerezNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel Bravo, Zulu, Echo is now loud and clear. Next station for Hotel 1, Yankee, Mike, Oscar, Tito Gilbert, good evening, welcome to DX1 PerezNet.
Likewise, Tito Ruth Boy. Magandang gabi, Pierre. At maraming salamat po sa certificate na natanggap ko, dalawa. At saya-saya ko. Nagpapatala po, wala pong ganong isa ulit. Mabuhay sa Pilipin. Maraming salamat po, Tito Ruth.
You're welcome, Tito Gilbert, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting DX1 PerezNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Yankee, Mike, Oscar is now loud and clear.
For Golf 1 Delta X-ray Tango.
Copy that for Golf 1, Delta X-ray Tango. Tito Chuck, please hold on. Any more stations? Copy for Hotel 1, Lima Echo Share. At Tito Chris, please stand by. Naka-line up Lima, Charlie, Alpha Zulu, copy.
For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-ray pa ba?
For Golf 1, Charlie.
Copy for Golf 1, Charlie, November, Delta, please stand by.
For Golf 1, Delta X-ray Romeo.
Copy for Golf 1, Delta X-ray Romeo, please stand by. Is that for Golf 1, Alpha Victor India? Copy that, please stand by. Okay, nothing heard. Let's continue calling the station for Golf 1, November, Tango, Tito Nick, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PerezNet, one of the board members and net control stations of DX1 Alpha Romeo Tango.
Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, pakitala na natin Turut Boy at Tamatic.
Pasabay.
Then, Tito Rowena, thank you, and pakitala na rin sa inyo. Thank you for always supporting DX1 PerezNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, November Tango is now loud and clear. Okay, copy that. Point Juan, Papa Uniform Victor, indulgence with the group. Unahin ko muna po ang Queen Batangas at medyo may nasa sa akin. Point Juan, Papa Uniform Victor, Tito Voltaire, good evening, welcome to Dix One FirstNet. Tito Voltaire, pakibalik yung XYL. Medyo hindi ko makuha masyado. Okay, 4 Golf 1 Echo Alpha X-Ray, si Tita Edin. Okay, thank you, 73 and mabuhay. And thank you for always supporting Dex One PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow, Tito Voltaire and Tita Edin. Your stations, 4 India 1 Papa Uniform Victor and 4 Golf 1 Echo Alpha X-Ray are now logged and clear. Okay, let's go back to the list. Calling the station of Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango Tito Roweno. Good evening, welcome to Dix One FirstNet. Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango Tito Roweno. Go ahead. Last call for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango Tito Roweno. May audio ba ako, Tito Nelson?
Mayroon, Tito.
Kala ko na wala na. Last call, Portal 1, Alpha Kilo Tango, Tito Roweno.
D1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
Copy, D1 Victor Bravo Yankee, please stand by. Okay, let's move on to the next station. Mike Alpha Romeo, Tito Mar, good evening, welcome to Dix One FirstNet.
Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. 1 Mike Alpha Romeo, supporting the net of Dix One PRS. No further traffic. 73, mabuhay. God bless. Maraming salamat po.
Likewise, God bless, 73. Keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Mar, thank you for always supporting Dix One FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Mike Alpha Romeo, is now locked and clear. Next station, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, Tito Boy. Magandang gabi. Halina sa ugnayan ng Dex One FirstNet.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatala lang. Bumabati po ng tiktis-tiktis na 73 sa inyo at sa lahat. No other topic, Rex. Salamat po.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay at maraming salamat Tito Boy sa tiklis-tiklis na pagbati. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong himpilan na D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra ay nakatala na po. Copy 4 Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf, please stand by. Okay, next station, Hotel 1 Lima, Echo Sierra, Kakris, good evening, welcome to Dix One FirstNet.
W1BXR.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Kakris, at dito malamig din sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Thank you for always supporting Dex One FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1 Lima Echo Sierra is now logged and clear. Copy na po yung 4 Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf. Please stand by. Okay, next station, Delta Yankee 1, Yankee Tango Yankee. Tito Arnel, good evening. Welcome to Dex One FirstNet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Arnel, thank you for always supporting the X1 Festnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1 Yankee Tango Yankee, is now logged and clear. Pag-balik po, nagkasabay lahat.
W1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Good evening, Lauren.
4 Golf 1 Alpha November India.
Okay, copy 3 stations. The Delta Whiskey 1, Victor X-Ray Romeo, DB3 Radio Whiskey, and 4 Golf 1 Alpha November India. Please stand by.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Copy, Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey. Please stand by. Come back mo ulit. Pakibalik po. November Delta. At ito, medyo garbled ang receive ko. Dahan-dahan po. Is that your Tito Chito?
Yes, Tito.
Okay, indulgence with the group. Pulutin ko muna. Charlie, November Delta, Tito Chito on mobile. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 Festnet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Chicho, thank you for always supporting the X1 Festnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Charlie November Delta, is now locked and clear. Okay, let's move on to the next station, Fort Hotel 1, Whiskey X-Ray Papa. Cairol, good evening. Welcome to the X1 Festnet.
Likewise, Tito Rod, good evening sa lahat. For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa. Nagpapatala lang, 73, gandang gabi, mabuhay.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. Cairol, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 Perez. Naway masumpungan po kay Malibukas ang inyong himpilan. For Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa ay nakatala na po.
For Hotel 1, Delta Papa, Quebec.
4 Golf 1, Charlie, November Delta. Tito Ruth Boy, patala na lang po. Magkakondak ako ng unit roll call.
Copy na ka, Joanne. For Golf 1, Charlie, November Delta, your station is now logged and clear. 73.
For Hotel 1, Delta Papa, Quebec.
Copy for Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo. Yung isa pa po.
For Hotel 1, Delta Papa, Quebec.
Portal 1, Delta Papa, Quebec. Please stand by. Okay, nothing heard. Next station, Portal 1, Bravo, Delta Golf, Tito Dindo. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 Festnet.
Magandang gabi, Tito Rod. Nagpapatala lang ito sa suporta. For Hotel 1, Bravo, Delta Golf, 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Dindo, thank you for always supporting the X1 Festnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Hotel 1, Bravo, Delta Golf, is now logged and clear. Next station, 4 Golf 1, Delta, X-Ray, Tango. Tito Chat, good evening. Welcome to the X1 Festnet, one of the net control stations of the X1 Charlie Whiskey.
Good evening, Net Control. It's 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango. Just checking in for your net. 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Chuck, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRS Net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango is now logged and clear. Next station for Golf 1, Charlie Alpha Zulu. KJR, good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet. Medyo na, si Kajoan, may magninet na, nakatala na rin siya. Go ahead, KJR. #73, keep safe and mabuhay, KGR. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu is now logged and clear. Okay, I'm moving on to the next station for Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Romeo. Tito Chris, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet, one of the net control stations also of DX1 Charlie Whiskey. Go ahead.
Good evening po, Tito. This is 4 Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Romeo. Just checking into your network tonight and over the traffic. 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Chris, thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Romeo is now logged and clear.
Hotel 1 Delta Papa Quebec.
Storage 1 Delta Bravo Sierra. Corner net. DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot.
4 Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima.
Okay, copy 4 stations. 4 Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, and 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Please stand by. Okay, next station, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee. Tito Richie, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Good evening, Alman Root Boy. Good evening, Alayan. Stay safe and 73 from D1 Victor Bravo Yankee.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Richie, thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, is now logged and clear. Next station, for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf Cafeli. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Cafeli. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf is now logged and clear. Next station, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-Ray Romeo. Tito Ray, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Good evening, Root Boy. Roland, good evening. Good evening to all the stations on monitor. For Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1 PRS. This is CW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, join the net. Now the traffic, Root Boy, good evening and 73, salamat.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ray. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, is now logged and clear.
Delta Whiskey 1 November Oscar Lima Mobile.
Good evening, Tito Ed.
Copy, D1 Whiskey India Echo, Tito Ed, please stand by. Okay, next station, DVT Radio Whiskey, Tito Roland. Good evening, welcome to DX1 Persnet. Keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Roland. Thank you for always supporting DX1 Persnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB3 Radio Whiskey, is now logged and clear. Tito Louie, nailag ka na ni Tita Cecil kanina. Acknowledge ka na kanina pa.
Okay, salamat, Sir Boy.
73, ingat-ingat sa dyan sa pagmumobile. Next station, 4 Golf 1 Alpha November India. Tito Gani, good evening. Welcome to DX1 Persnet.
Twice, good evening, Tito Root Boy. For Golf 1, Alpha November, India. Gani po ng GMA Cavite, supporting the net. No other traffic, 73, mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Gani. Thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1, Alpha November, India is now logged and clear.
4G1 Delta, Foxtrot, Papa. D1 Hotel Lima, Victoria.
For Golf 1, Yankee, Juliet, Charlie.
Okay, copy additional stations. DU1 Hotel Lima, Victor, Delta Yankee 1 Lima, Lima, India, of course. And for Golf 1 Yankee, Juliet, Charlie. Please stand by. Next station, DW1, Queen Echo Whiskey, Tito June, good evening, welcome to X1 FirstNet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy, good evening, DX1 PRS, and all monitoring stations, bumabati na po ng 73s, mabuhay, no further traffic, just supporting the evening's net.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito June, thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1. Queen Echo Whiskey is now logged and clear. Kilo, Tito Edmond, good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet.
Likewise, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening, all stations on monitor. For Golf 1 Yankee, Juliet, Charlie, checking in, no traffic, my 73, salamat.
Nagkasabay kayo, Tito Edmond at saka Tito Raymond. Anyway, acknowledge ko rin lang kayong dalawa at nagkasunod-sunod ang inyong transmit. Acknowledge this. 73 and keep safe for the two stations for Hotel 1 Echo Mike Kilo, Tito Edmond, and for Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, Tito Raymond. Your two stations are now locked and clear. 73.
Salamat, Tito Root Boy. Ang lakas ng splatter ko eh.
No problem, Tito Raymond. Okay, next station for Hotel 1, Delta, Papa, Quebec, Tito Pepito, good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet. For Hotel 1, Delta, Papa, Quebec, Tito Pepito, good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet. Last call for Hotel 1, Delta, Papa, Quebec, Tito Pipito.
34X1 Delta Bravo Sierra for the net.
Tito Fred, please stand by. Susunod ka na one station ahead. Okay, next station for Golf 1, Echo, Hotel November. Tito Amy, good evening, welcome to the X1 FirstNet. Keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Army, thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, for Golf 1, Echo, Hotel November is now logged and clear.
DW1, Victor India, Quebec.
Tito Jing, please stand by. DB1, PBZ, please hold on. Next station for Hotel 1, Delta, Bravo, Sierra, Tito Fred, from the group. Good evening, welcome to our group net.
Good evening, good boy, and also sa lahat ng mga nakamonitor. DB4X1 Delta, Bravo, Sierra. Supporting PRS and joining the net from the group. My handle is Fred, speaking from Alabang, Singapore, on traffic facility and mabuhay. Over.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Fred, thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Hotel 1, Delta, Bravo, Sierra is now locked and clear. Next station, DU1, Papa Romeo Foxtrot, one of the net control stations of the X1 PRS. Tito June, good evening, welcome to the X1, to our group net.
Copy likewise for G1 Papa Uniform Romeo Root Boy. Magandang gabi fellow hams. Just supporting the net from Calamba City. 73. God bless, mabuhay.
Likewise, God bless. 73, keep safe, and mabuhay. Tito Jun, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, D1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, is now logged and clear.
DB1 Bravo Echo.
Copy na, Tito Bob. Please stand by, DB1 Bravo Echo. Next station, 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima, Tito Elmore, good evening, welcome to Dix1 PSNet.
Likewise, Tito Root Boy, magandang gabi. 4G1 PUR, 40X1 PRS. Just checking into the net with no traffic, 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima, Elmore from Montelupa City. 73 and mabuhay.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Elmore. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station 4 Golf 1, Foxtrot, Bravo, Lima is now logged and clear. Next station, DU1, Whiskey, India, Echo, Tito Ed. Good evening, welcome to Dex1 PSNet. #73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Ed. Thank you for always supporting Dex1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Whiskey India Echo, is now logged and clear. Ikaw, Tito Ed, ay full scale dito. Booming Audio, 59, Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Golf 1, Mike X-ray, Papa.
For I1, Mike Victor, India.
Copy, 4 Golf 1, Mike X-ray Papa, and for India 1, Mike Victor India, please stand by. Okay, next station, 4 Golf 1, Delta, Foxtrot, Papa, Tito Arnold, good evening, welcome to Dix1 PSNet. For Golf 1, Delta, Foxtrot, Papa, Tito Arnold, go ahead. Wala. Okay, let's move on to the next station. DU1 Hotel Lima Victor and Delta Yankee 1 Lima Lima India, Tito Bani and Tita Leia. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 PSNet.
Good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening all around. Sumusuporta sa gabing langbatan ng DX1 PRS. Sorry, Tito John pala. DX1 PRS. At 73, wala na po mensahe.
73, manatili sa bahay para ligtas at mabuhay. At Tito Bani and Tita Leia, maraming salamat sa palaging pagsuporta sa ugnayan ng DX1 PRS. Naway masumpungan po kayo muli bukas ang inyong dalawang himpilan, DU1 Hotel Lima Victor at Delta Yankee 1 Lima Lima India ay nakatala na po. Tito Bani, na-receive mo na in-email ko?
Sige, double check ko. Thank you, Tito Root Boy.
Walang anuman, Tito Bani, at ingat-ingat dyan. Next station, DW1 Victor India, Quebec. Tito Jing, good evening. Welcome to Dix1 PSNet.
Likewise, good evening, Root Boy. Just joining supporting net. My 73, mabuhay. God bless and good evening sa lahat. Salamat.
Likewise, God bless. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tito Jing, thank you for always supporting Dex1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1 Victor India, Quebec, is now locked and clear. Copy, Titka Ed, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, please stand by. Okay, next station, DB1 Papa Victor Zulu, another Tito Jing. Good evening, welcome to Dix1 PSNet. Oo nga, Tito Jing. evening. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. And thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Victor 1, Papa Victor Zulu, is now loud and clear.
For Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, for the net.
Copy, 2 stations, Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta and DB1 Yankee November Juliet. Please stand by. Continue calling the station of my idol. DB1 Victor Echo Tito Bob, one of the net control stations of the X1 Echo Romeo from the heart of Makati. Welcome to the X1 PSNet.
Yeah, Road Boy, good evening, and good evening, fellow Rams. This is the station of DB1 Bravo Echo from the heart of Makati, checking in and supporting the evening net of the X1 PRS 73, and stay safe, everyone. Thank you, Road Boy.
Thank you then, Tito Bob, 73, and also stay safe, mabuhay. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1 Bravo Echo, is now loud and clear. Next station, 4 Golf 1, Mike X-Ray Papa Tito Oliver. Good evening. Welcome to the X1 PSNet.
Good evening, Tito Rupo, at sa lahat ng tagapakinig. As 4 Golf 1, Mike X-Ray Papa, nagpapagkalala po mula po dito sa Binonan, Salvabuhay 73 at stay safe, no traffic for other station. Roger.
Tito Oliver, may utang ka sa akin. Yung full name mo para sa certificate, pwede yung pakibigay sa akin?
Oliver Marasigan po. Oliver Villas Marasigan. As in victory. Roger.
Ayun, copy, Tito Oliver. Oliver V. Marasigan. Ayun, naka-join ka na doon sa DX1 PRS members and friends?
Negative pa po ata, Tito, pero kasi sa DX1 ART kasi ito, Roger.
Okay. Doon kasi popost yung certificate. Just in case may time ka, punta ka doon at mag-join ka doon, ha? Okay, 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Oliver. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PSNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, 4 Golf 1, Mike X-Ray Papa, is now locked and clear.
4G1 Lima Delta Kilo.
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, for the net.
Jason, for 3 stations ahead, please stand by. Okay, next, copy natin at Tito Dan, please stand by for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo. Okay, next station, the father and daughter station from the group, 4 India 1, Mike Victor India, Juliana and Robert, good evening, welcome to our group net.
Hi, Tito Root Boy. Hi, Tito Dan.
Ayun, good evening, Tito Root Boy. Good evening din kay Tito Dan. Good evening to all stations. For I1 Mike Victor India, for G1 PUR for the X1 PRS net, for I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in, supporting the group net. No traffic, 73.
Piga-piga na lang ako ng mic.
Oo nga. Talagang kinunan ka na ng pwesto ni Juliana. Okay, 73, keep safe and mabuhay. Juliana and Robert, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for India 1, Mike Victor India, is now locked and clear. Next station, DU1 Kilo India Yankee Kahed. Good evening, welcome to the X1 PRSnet. 73, keep safe and mabuhay. God, thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, is now locked and clear. Next station, Portal 1 Yankee Quebec Delta. Jason, good evening. Welcome to the X1 PRSnet. Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec, Delta, ka Jason, andyan ka pa ba? Last call, Portal 1, Yankee, Quebec, Delta, ka Jason, ikaw na. Ayan, lumipat na. Sige, tala na lang. DB1, Yankee, November, Juliet, Tito Larry, good evening, welcome to Dix 1 FirstNet. Oo nga, hindi na nakaantay. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Larry. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, DB1, Yankee, November, Juliet, is now logged and clear. Copy, Tito Mark 4G1 LAD, please stand by. Okay, nothing heard. Let's continue for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo from the group, our club auditor. Tito Dan, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Yeah, good evening, Ruth Boy. Good evening, Juliana. And likewise to Robert. And to all station and monitor checking in and joining our evening net call with Net Traffic 73. And fine evening to all. Keep safe. Mabuhay.
73, keep safe and fine evening likewise, Tito Dan. Thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo is now logged and clear. Next station for G1 LAD, Tito Mar, long time no hear. Welcome to Dix 1 FirstNet. Welcome back, and 73, mabuhay, Tito Mark. Thank you for always supporting Dex 1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Lima Alpha Delta is now logged and clear.
For Golf 1 Echo November Delta.
Okay, for Golf 1 Echo November Delta, Tito Del. At kailangan ko yung full name mo for the certificate. Good evening, welcome to Dix 1 FirstNet.
Tito Ruth Boy, good evening. I-PPM ko sa'yo, message ko sa'yo. And I'm supporting the X1 PRS with no further traffic. Have a good evening and 73 to you. For G1 BUR, for G1 ENT.
Okay, copy that. Tito Del, paki-PM na lang ha, at para ma-release ko yung certificate mo. 73, keep safe and mabuhay, and thank you for always supporting the X1 FirstNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Echo November Delta is now logged and clear.
Mike Victor Lima.
DB1 Kilo Whiskey, Mexico.
Okay, two stations for Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima and DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico. Please stand by. Next station for Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima. Adrian, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Good evening, Olman Road Boy. Kay Olman Alaway. Kay Olman Nextop. Ayun, 41 Mike Victor Lima. Just supporting your group net. No further traffic. 73, mabuhay. Salamat, Olman Road Boy.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Adrian, thank you for always supporting our group net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima is now logged and clear. Uy, maganda yung propagation mo ngayon. You are coming here 5x5 Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Sana ganyan lagi.
Oo nga. Okay, next station, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico. The Vice President of our group, Vice Alaric, good evening. Welcome to our group net.
Good evening, mabuhay. Gandang gabi din, Brian. Gandang gabi dyan sa Lucena. You're coming here 5 and 7.
7 dito sa Smith Echo. Ano yung support niya ako net call, no traffic, 72 call, mabuhay. So you.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Vice Alaric, thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, GB1, Kilo Whiskey. Mexico is now loud and clear. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
For G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
Copy for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot. Pakibalik po yung isa. Wala. Okay, calling the station for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot from the group, our corporate secretary, Tita Moore. Good evening. Welcome to our GroupNet.
Good evening, Note Boy, and good evening to all the stations. This is for G1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot, checking in, supporting our GroupNet. Number traffic, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay. Tita Moore, thank you for always supporting our GroupNet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station for Golf 1 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot is now loud and clear. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Sikinet, any more stations who would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, standing by.
Dito Paknales si Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu.
Okay, acknowledge the station of Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Zulu, Kajersi ng Calaca, Batangas. Your station is now loud and clear, 73. Sikinet, any more stations would like to join the X1 PRS Evening Net, please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by.
Total 1, Yaki Quebec Delta po, mahabol. Gandang gabi po, Tito Ruth Boy. Joining the evening net call, 73, mabuhay po.
Okay, acknowledge ka na kanina, ka Jason, bigla kang nawala at inahabol. Anyway, nakalag ka na kanina pa. Thank you for checking in, 73, mabuhay.
Mat po.
Shout out, Tolit Del Mundo Ferreira.
It's 8:58, Papa Mike, 2 more minutes before we close the net. Any more station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, standing by. Sikinet for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, standing by. Sikinet for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for the X1 PRS Evening Net, standing by. stations for late check for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo standing by. Siginet for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo for DX1 PRS evening edge standing by.
Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Alpha Delta.
Okay, copy Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Alpha Delta. Tito Jason, good evening. Welcome to DX1 PRSnet.
Likewise, good evening Tito. Magandang gabi sa lahat. Fellow hams, magandang gabi control. No further traffic, just supporting and joining your evening net call. Once again, this is Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Alpha Delta, transmitting from Bangpang, Pasig City. Mabuhay, 73.
73, keep safe and mabuhay, Tito Jason. Thank you for always supporting the X1 PRSnet. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station, Delta Yankee 1, Juliet Alpha Delta is now logged and clear. Time check, 9 o'clock, Papa Mike. Last call for any station who would like to join the X1 PRS evening. Please call my station for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo. My name is Ruth Boy, transmitting from Santa Rosa, Laguna, standing by. Okay, nothing heard. We would like to thank the good number of stations for check-in for tonight. It's 69. But before we close the net call, let me read first the entries on my log sheet. If in case I miss your station, kindly inform me as soon as I have finished reading the last station.
Dito, Paknalig, Portel 1, Yankee Papa.
check.
Ano, pakibalik, Tito Nelson, yun, ano? Delta Yankee 1 ba?
Portel 1, Yankee Papa. Mayroong nag-late check.
Okay, late check, go ahead.
Yan, Ruth Boy, good evening. Pahabol, 4I1 CJ. Late check at 73.
Okay, acknowledge the station of 4NG1 Alpha Golf Juliet from the group Edsel. Thank you for always supporting our net. We hope to catch you again tomorrow. Your station is now logged and clear. Any more station for late check? Tito Nelson, pakibalik yung ano niya, yung bago lang siya sa ating nag-check-in. Portal 1 Yankee Papa, yung name niya at saka location.
481 Yankee Papa. Handle is Gaspar Padilla. Gaspar Golf Alpha Tulu Papa Alpha Romeo Gaspar. From the group DX1 EBM Calaca, Batangas.
Okay, acknowledge na the station of Gaspar, yung first name niya, si Ka Gaspar ng anong kwa niya, yung location, Batangas?
Calaca, Batangas. Gaspar Padilla, Tito. Badilla ang surname niya. Bravo Alpha Delta India Lima Alpha. Badilla.
Okay, copy that, Tito Nelson, and thank you for the relay. Acknowledge the station of 4 Hotel 1 Yankee Papa Gaspar Pavilla ng Calaca, Batangas from the group DX1 EVM. Your station is now logged and clear. Any more? Okay, let's do the recap, starting with 4NG1 Bravo India, or Golf 1 Delta Quebec Juliet, W6 Echo Uniform Golf, DB1 Sierra Victor Sierra, D1 VL Set, Portal 1 X-Ray Charlie Foxtrot, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, DU1 November Tango Zulu, Portal 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Portal 1 Delta Tango Golf. Station of Radio Oscar Mike, DB3 Charlie Mike Charlie, Portal 1 Bravo Zulu Echo for DW1 November Oscar Lima, for Hotel 1 Yankee Mike Oscar. For Golf 1 November Tango Tango, for Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango, the station of Mike Alpha Romeo, DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, for Hotel 1 Lima Echo Sierra. Delta Yankee 1 Yankee Tango Yankee, the station of Delta India November, Delta Yankee 9 Juliet Delta Charlie, for Golf 1 Queen Alpha Zulu. For India 1 Echo Romeo Tango, for Hotel 1 Whiskey X-Ray Papa, for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf. For Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Tango, for Golf 1 Charlie Alpha Zulu, for Golf 1 Charlie November Delta, for Golf 1 Delta X-Ray Romeo. For Golf 1 Alpha Victor India, for India 1 Papa Uniform Victor, for Golf 1 Echo Alpha X-Ray. DU1 Victor Bravo Yankee, for Golf 1 Charlie Bravo Golf, DW1 Victor X-Ray Romeo, DB3 Radio Whiskey. For Golf 1 Alpha November India, DW1 Queen Echo Whiskey, the station of Charlie November Delta, for Hotel 1 Echo Mike Kilo, for Hotel 1 Delta Papa Quebec. For Golf 1 Echo Hotel November, for Hotel 1 Delta Bravo Sierra, DU1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, for Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. DU1 Whiskey India Echo, for Golf 1 Delta Foxtrot Papa, DU1 Hotel Lima Victor, Delta Yankee 1 Lima, India. For Golf 1 Yankee Juliet Charlie, DW1 Victor India Quebec, DB1 Papa Victor Zulu, DB1 Bravo Echo. For Golf 1 Mike X-Ray Papa, for India 1 Mike Victor India, DU1 Kilo India Yankee, for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta. DB1 Yankee November Juliet, for Golf 1 Lima Delta Kilo, for Golf 1 Lima Alpha Delta, for Golf 1 Echo November Delta. For Golf 1 Mike Victor Lima, DB1 Kilo Whiskey Mexico, for Golf 1 Whiskey X Uniform Foxtrot, DW1 Victor Oscar Zulu. Delta Yankee 1 Juliet Alpha Delta, for Hotel 1 Yankee Papa, and for India 1 Alpha Golf Juliet. Meron pa bang station na habol? For Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo listening.
Tito, yung huling binigay ko sa iyo, DX1 ABM yun.
Copy, yung for Hotel 1 Yankee Papa, si Gaspar Fabella ng Calaca, Batangas from the group DX1 EBM. QSL?
QSL, Tito. Magandang gabi sa iyo. Good luck. Congrats.
Magandang gabi at maraming salamat din, Tito Nelson, sa walang sawang pagmamanage ng ating FB Live at sa pag-relay. Okay, the net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 megahertz is now back to its normal operation. On behalf of DX1 PRS, this is for Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, together with for Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform Tito Nelson, managing the FB Live. This is Ruth Boy saying thank you very much and good evening. Mag-ingat tayong lahat palagi, ilagak ang pag-asa sa biyayang darating. Sa dakilang Ama po ang kapurihan.
Tito, pahabol.
Go ahead.
May humabol, Delta Whiskey 9, India Hotel Pakra.
Copy the station of Delta Whiskey 9, India Hotel Foxtrot, Tito Juji ng Davao de Oro from the group text 9 Alpha Uniform India. Your station is now logged and clear and thank you for always supporting text 1 PSNet.
Tito Root Boy.
Herbert, go ahead.
Tito Root Boy, kamusta yung performance ng heatsink?
Okay naman siya, talagang may init talaga siya kasi ina-observe yung heat eh. Pero mukhang hindi na tumutunog eh. Yung aking kasi nung mga nakaraan na pag matagal nagnaano siya eh, yung tutututut.
Ganon? Hindi ba sa sa timer lang?
Oo nga eh, pero parang naka-maximum na yung timer ko eh. I-check ulit baka na bumalik sa dati, sa mababa eh.
Copy. Sobrang init ba dito?
Hindi naman, nahahawakan mo naman siya. So parang, sa ngayon kasi may heatsink siya. Yung heatsink ko, hinahawakan ko, mainit siya pero nahahawakan ko. Unlike na kung wala siya, medyo talagang hindi mo siya mahawakan ng matagal.
Kahit may blower dito, umiinit pa rin.
Oo, mayroon pa rin, umiinit pa rin siya eh.
Sige, dito lang.
Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS Evening Net. And we hope to catch you again tomorrow for the next day edition of the Evening Net. Same time, 8 o'clock. Same frequency, 145.340 MHz. God bless to all, 73.
Ayun, shout out kay Michael Banawan. Mag-check-in ka ba? Ihahabol kita. Ano nga Mike Bravo ka, diba? Ano nga ba call time mo, Michael? Lagay ng message sa live bago ko i-close. Michael Banawan. Maglalag out na ako. End of live. Hindi ka mag-check-in? Michael? Audio check. Signing off.